We will be exploring the design of the ZTE Blade V50. ZTE is a renowned brand in the smartphone industry known for its innovative and high-quality devices. The ZTE Blade V50 design is no exception, offering a sleek design combined with powerful features. Let's dive in and discover what makes this smartphone stand out. Design and build quality. The ZTE Blade V50 design is designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. It features a slim and lightweight profile, measuring 163.70 by 75.00 by 7.98 mm and weighing just 189 grams. This makes it comfortable to hold and easy to carry in your pocket or bag. The device boasts a large and vibrant display, with a 6.60-inch IPS TFT screen that offers 1080 by 2408 pixels resolution. With its 16 million colors and 90 Hz refresh rate, you can expect sharp and smooth visuals. The screen-to-body ratio of approximately 85.5% ensures an immersive viewing experience. Durability and protection. To keep your ZTE Blade V50 design safe from splashes and light rain, it comes with an IPX2 rating for water resistance. While it may not be fully waterproof, this feature adds an extra layer of protection to your device. Additionally, it is important to note that the device does not come with any built-in display protection, so it's advisable to invest in a screen protector to safeguard against scratches and damage. Battery and performance. The ZTE Blade V50 design is equipped with a powerful 4500 mAh LiPo battery, ensuring long-lasting usage throughout the day. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, this device can keep up with your demands. It also supports quick battery charging, allowing you to get back to using your smartphone in no time. Under the hood, the Blade V50 design runs on the latest Android 12 operating system, providing a seamless and user-friendly interface. It is powered by the Unisoc T760 processor, clocked at 2.20 GHz and featuring 8 cores. With the ARM Mali G57MC4 GPU running at 780 MHz, you can expect smooth and lag-free performance for your daily tasks and gaming needs. Storage and connectivity. The ZTE Blade V50 design offers ample storage space with its 128 GB internal memory. This allows you to store a large number of apps, photos, videos, and files without worrying about running out of space. Additionally, it supports expandable storage through microSD, microSDHC, and microSDXC cards, with a capacity of up to 1 TB. So, you can easily expand your storage as needed. When it comes to connectivity, the device supports GSM, UMTS, LTE, and 5G networks, ensuring fast and reliable internet access wherever you go. It features dual SIM card slots, nanoSIM, allowing you to use 2 numbers simultaneously. The dual standby mode ensures that you never miss an important call or message. Conclusion. In conclusion, the ZTE Blade V50 design offers a sleek and modern design combined with powerful performance and features. With its large display, long-lasting battery, and ample storage space, it is a smartphone that can cater to your daily needs. Whether you're a multimedia enthusiast, a gamer, or a professional on the go, the Blade V50 design has something to offer. Upgrade your smartphone experience with the ZTE Blade V50 design today. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay tuned for our next video.